I'm going to show you in this video how you can actually use enhance feature on CapCut to improve your audio quality. I'm going to make use of CapCut Pro, right? But I'm not going to screen record it. So that's the reason why you need to watch this video to the very end, because I have a bonus tips for you, right? So the other time I filmed a video and someone actually commented on that video by saying that I should improve on my audio quality, but then I didn't actually know what the person mean, because the mic I use in filming my video is actually K9 wireless microphone. It's a low budget mic. You can actually like try it out. It's actually nice, because one good thing about this mic is that you using this mic to film your video helps to reduce the background noise, because where I'm staying is actually close to the main road. So if I can film this video right now without using this mic, even if I'm using, okay, like right now I'm using fan in my room, right? So you'll be able to hear the sound of the fan rolling. I don't even know, like I don't know if you guys are getting me. And if my fridge is actually on, you're going to hear the sound of the fridge. But with this mic, I can leave all those things on and record my video even when people are making noise in the compound. I don't feel bothered, because I know that this mic has actually helped me on that. So if you haven't gotten any low budget mic for yourself, please, you really need to try this out. It's actually very helpful. But then one thing I actually noticed about this mic and my voice is that when I get to film a video without using the mic, I always notice that there's a difference between my voice and me when I'm using this mic, because using this mic actually sound as if it's 100% like speaking into this one microphone. Oh, damn, that's crazy. But don't worry, I want to show you quickly how you can use enhanced feature on CapCut, because this enhanced feature actually helps to reduce some of the noises that this microphone can actually bring up, and trust me, it works perfectly well. So please, if you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Afia, then this is Afitech digital channel. Please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting much time, let me head over to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you this. So for you to do that, first thing, we are just going to head over to our editing app. So for those, I'm using CapCut. So I'll just click on that. So after that, I'll need to click on import new project, and I'm just going to pick the video I want to use. So this is the video I actually want to use. I'll click here. So when I pick the video, one thing about using enhanced feature is that you can actually use it on a video not longer than 15 minutes. Like, what I'm just trying to say is that if your video is actually longer than 15 minutes, you need to split it into some segment before you can use it. But if your video is 15 minutes and below 15 minutes, you can just use it at once in your video. I hope I'm making sense. So for this, I'm actually going to split those video into two segments, right? So that I can actually detect the part I used the enhanced feature and the part I did not use. Then I'm just going to go ahead and delete the remaining clips of those video. That is what I'm actually going to do. So let me just make it up to like let's just say 30 seconds, right? So let me click on split, and I'm going to delete the rest. All right, so let me go to 15 seconds of those video and split again. So you're going to be like before and after, right? So I've clicked on that. So I'm going to make use of those first parts, as I'm not like adding the enhanced feature. Then this other 15 seconds, I'll just highlight it, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on the enhanced feature right here. Okay, see it here. I'll just go ahead and turn those on, and let's just give it a little time for it to actually do that. So sorry, I decided to like pause the video for it to actually count from 0 to 100. So you can actually choose to like decrease the volume or increase the volume. And let's just okay, I've increased the volume from 80 to 100, and that is actually loading. Then that's the reason why. So you can see that everything has been done. So I'll just click on this mark. So remember, we've added enhanced voice to the second clip of the video, while the first clip is just normal. So I'm going to play this video for you guys to actually spot out the difference between the before and after adding the enhanced feature. I'm going to show you in this video how you can actually use enhanced feature on CapCut to improve your audio quality. I'm going to make use of CapCut Pro, right? But I'm not going to screen record it. So that's the reason why you need to watch this video to the very end, because I have a bonus tips for you, right? So the other time I filmed a video and someone actually commented on that video by saying that I should improve on my audio quality. Guys, can you see this? Oh my god. So this feature is actually very nice, even if you are not using mic, right? So there you have it. You now know how to use the enhanced feature on CapCut, and this actually works very well if you are using a voice like if you are using a voiceover, or if you're actually doing a tutorial, or if you're actually using your main voice like the one I'm using right now. It works very well. But if you actually want to enhance voice using maybe sound or music, it does not work perfectly well as you using the sound that you are talking, like the spoken word. I don't actually know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So that's that for that. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try it out. And did you notice any different in that video between before and after the video? That is before I used the enhance feature and after I was done using the enhance feature. Do you actually notice any change? Please let me know about that in the comment section, and let me know if you are going to try this out. You can see that we did not screen record anything. So if you actually want to get CapCut Pro without paying, I actually make a video on this, but YouTube had to take it down because they were like, or anything that requires subscription and you make it on the platform that it's not normal. So they actually took down that video, and the video was just getting of this guy by now, maybe. But that's just by the way. So we actually need to use the CapCut because I noticed that during the screen recording, it reduces the video quality, and I had to like source for a way to actually use the pro features without having to screen record. So if you need those, make sure you like, make sure you share this video, make sure you subscribe, and just type done in the comment section. If you have like, if you have share, if you have comment, if you have subscribe, just type done in the comment section, and I'm going to tell you how you can actually contact me for this. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Most importantly, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post a new video like this. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Mwah.